Now at 11 tonight, there's some new fallout for In-N-Out over its refusal to enforce Bay Area vaccine mandates. Turns out its location in San Francisco isn't the only one defying health orders. KPIX5 reporter Katie Nielsen live in Contra Costa County with what she found out there. Katie?
Ken, this restaurant here in Pleasant Hill has now been cited multiple times, most recently as just yesterday. That's because health officials say the employees are not asking for proof of vaccination or a negative COVID test before letting people eat inside. A busy dinner rush and packed dining room at In-N-Out Burger in Pleasant Hill. Did anyone ask you if you were vaccinated tonight?
Me? No, they did not.
Did you eat inside?
I did.
I also ordered food tonight from this location and watched and listened to others ordering, and never once did I hear an employee ask a guest about vaccination status. That's exactly why the Contra Costa County Health Department says it's issued 3 citations to the restaurant. First, a warning on October 5th, then a $250 fine on October 14th, and a $500 fine just yesterday. It comes after In-N-Out in San Francisco's Fisherman's Wharf was forced to close temporarily last week for refusing to follow the indoor dining vaccine mandate there, with the restaurant responding in a statement saying, "We refuse to become the vaccination police. This is clear governmental overreach and is intrusive, improper, and offensive."
I think this is just crazy.
Michelle Woolard drove to this location from Lafayette to buy dinner for her family after hearing about what happened in San Francisco.
I think it's horrible and it's government overreach. We're eating here tonight because we want to support In-N-Out.
While others say the restaurant should follow the health department guidelines.
I think they should be fined. I mean, it did feel uncomfortable with how many people are in there. It is packed in there. So in future, if I do come here, I think it'll be to go.
Now, Contra Costa County Health says that the ordinance allows for increasing fines up to $1,000 per violation. But unlike San Francisco, their ordinance does not allow for shutting down a business for noncompliance.
Katie, I'm wondering, there are several other In-N-Outs in Contra Costa County. What are you hearing about those?
Yeah, so Ken, there's also restaurants in Brentwood, Pinole, and San Ramon. Now, so far, the Pleasant Hill location is the only one that has been cited. Health department officials tell me that's because this is the restaurant where they got complaints about it. They said so far they haven't received any complaints about other locations, but if they do, they will send enforcement officers to investigate.
Katie Nielsen reporting live from Pleasant Hill. Thank you, Katie.